Hi there, welcome to Carlisle Audi. I'll be taking you on a tour today of this brand new Audi Q8 Black Edition 55 TFSI quattro, fitted with the Tiptronic gearbox and finished in the Daytona grey paintwork. This brand new vehicle comes with 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance for your peace of mind. The front of the vehicle features the HD Matrix LED headlights, which use an amazing technology to illuminate the road ahead of you regardless of any weather conditions, and it also means that oncoming drivers won't be dazzled thanks to the fantastic technology it houses. It also features the daytime running lights. Being a Black Edition model, it does come with the front black grille, and it sits beautifully on the set of 22-inch 5 V-spoke alloy wheels, which really do complement the overall exterior styling of this luxury SUV exceptionally well. You've also got the privacy glass to the rear, as well as the black mirror housing and black window surrounds, adding to that stealthy and menacing look of this SUV. As we take a look towards the interior, it does feature the frameless window design, and you've got this fantastic full leather upholstery with the contrasting white stitching, adding to a nice vibrant feel to the interior. You passengers will be very comfortable on these seats, as they are very supportive, and they also feature the ISOFIX child anchor points in case you need to carry your child seats. There is plenty of legroom back here, so your passengers can really stretch their legs out, adding to that comfort. They also benefit from the rear climate control. It also features the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which gives you a premium and rich sound to any music listened to on the journey, and that's thanks in part to the comfort and sound pack. I must apologise for the lens glare, it is very sunny here today. Taking a step back from the Q8, it looks fantastic and aggressive from all angles, and that light bar gives a very modern and sporty design. The rear of the vehicle comes fitted with some fantastic guidance systems, such as the rear view camera, as well as the rear parking sensors. Upon opening the tailgate, it reveals an enormous boot space with plenty of storage options in here, and you'll have no problem fitting in any suitcases, larger boxes, golf clubs, prams, or any shopping you may wish to carry. And you'll also find in here the controls for the air suspension, as well as the electrically folding tow bar, which reveals itself at the push of a button. Once the boot's loaded, it's very easy to close the tailgate by pressing the one button as shown, which then reveals the LED tail lights with the dynamic indicator. This Q8 features a 3-litre petrol engine, which is a V6 and produces 340 PS. Upon opening the doors to the front of the interior, we're greeted with the leather-wrapped multi-function control steering wheel with flat bottom and a very driver-focused interior with the gloss black inlays, adding to a nice bit of character. The front seats are a sport style with the S embossed logo and offer plenty of support and adjustment thanks to the electrically adjustable switches. It also features the memory function for 2 different driver profiles, adding to the convenience that this car can provide you. And you just get a glimpse of that dark oak inlay there as well, really adding to the stealthy look. That completes my walk around the exterior of this Q8. Please stay around for the second part, where I'll be heading inside the vehicle and showcasing the technology that it has to offer. Starting off with the steering wheel controls, to the right hand side we've got your media functions for track selection, volume adjustment and hands-free calling, and to the left you've got your controls to help you navigate through the Audi virtual cockpit. Underneath the indicator stalk we've got your cruise control and speed limiter function, and this is a great feature to have when embarking on a longer journey. Behind the steering wheel is your Audi virtual cockpit, which is your fully customisable digital driver's display, allowing you to set and view menus such as navigation and vehicle information. To the centre of this Q8 we've got the Audi MMI system, which contains a whole host of applications such as DAB and FM radio, allowing you to easily select your favourite music from the list provided, and even storing favourites for added convenience. If you prefer listening to your own music, you can do thanks to external media input via Bluetooth or USB, allowing for a more varied playback option, helping you relax and enjoy the interior that much further. We also have the capability of connecting your phone via Bluetooth, which is a great feature when you're looking to make or receive calls on the go, ensuring you've always got concentration on the road ahead. And for the unfamiliar journeys, you've got the satellite navigation function, which gives you a crisp and clear display of the route ahead once entered, and will give you live updates as you're going. We've also got the ability to connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto thanks to the Audi smartphone interface, and I'll leave a link to the top right corner of the screen to show you can set this up. We can really start to customise the car's driving style thanks to the Audi Drive Select, choosing from off-road, all-road, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, or we can head into individual setting and customise the drive system, suspension control and steering progression to your personal preference. As this does form part of the comfort and sound pack, you do feature the background lighting, which is your LED extended interior lighting, giving you a selection of colours with up to 30 different colours to choose from the surfaces and contours, giving it that nice personal touch to the interior. Also featuring 360-degree parking system, giving you a wide field of view of various angles, giving you the security and confidence to park this car when necessary. It also features a 3D model, further adding to the practicality the car provides. Just below that, we've got your dual zone climate control for driver and passenger on this secondary touchscreen, letting you choose the fan temperature, fan direction and fan speed for the ambient temperature inside. It also features a 3-stage heated seat function, which is great for those cold winter mornings. Underneath that, you've got a few quick select toggles such as the Audi Drive Select, as well as the stop start button, as this car does support keyless entry. And we've got the Tiptronic gearbox, which is an 8-speed torque converter and really adds the overall experience performance you'll get. We've got the cup holders underneath this handy stowaway tray, as well as some extra storage underneath the central armrest, further adding to the comfort practicality this Q8 provides. That completes my tour of this brand new Audi Q8 Black Edition 55 TFSI Quattro. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, call us now on 01228 371 516. Thank you.